Guess what? Dumbhead's up the tree again. I don't know whether this is going to come out very good. Sort of shooting up into the light. But can you see the bird on the cat's tail? There's a bird up there taking hair out of the back side of Rocket to, I guess, make a nest. That's sort of interesting. You see the bird up there? Getting some good stuff for his nest. He'll have a nice soft nest thanks to Rocket. Little does that bird know that if Rocket turns around, that bird may be Rocket's dinner. She had nothing to eat for 2 days. I'm not going to cut down that tree because I like that tree. So I don't know how she's going to get out of there. She's just going to have to do it on her own. You can see the bird. The bird is actually sitting on the back of the cat. It's a good girl. Come on down, Rocky. That bird is really nervy. That's all I can say. Oh, there goes the bird. The bird took off. I don't know where the bird's building its nest. Well, Rock, are you having fun up there? I don't know how I'm going to get her out of the tree. You can see how high up she is. She's up fairly far. Well, Rock, that's it for now. The bird will be back in a minute. I may take a little more video.